Hello. Do you have a table for one?
Yes, right this way, please.
Could I sit by the window?
Of course. This table is available.
Could I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Could I start with some water?
Of course. I'll bring that right out.
What do you recommend today?
The grilled chicken sandwich is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich.
Would you like fries or a side salad with that?
Fries, please.
Great choice.
Does the sandwich come with mayo?
Yes, it does.
Could I have it without mayo?
Absolutely. No mayo.
Could you make it a little spicy?
Sure. We can add some hot sauce.
That's perfect.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for now, thanks.
Great. I'll put your order in.
About how long will it take?
Around 15 minutes.
No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It smells great in here.
Thanks. Everything is made fresh to order.
That's good to know.
Your food should be out shortly.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Here you go, your sandwich and fries. Enjoy.
Could I get some ketchup, please?
Of course. I'll bring some right over.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The sandwich is delicious.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
The fries are nice and crispy, too.
Great to hear.
Could I get an extra napkin, please?
Of course.
And a fork, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks.
Anytime.
I'm almost finished. Could I see the dessert menu?
Absolutely. I'll bring it right over.
What's your most popular dessert?
The chocolate cake is a favorite.
I'll have a slice, please.
Great choice. I'll be right back.
Wow, this looks amazing.
Enjoy.
It's really rich and chocolatey.
I'm glad you like it.
I'm full now. Could I get the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over.
Thank you. Let me take a look.
Take your time.
The total is $18.75, correct?
That's right.
Is the tip included?
No, the tip isn't included.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can tap or insert your card here.
Done. Did it go through?
Yes, it did.
Could I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here you are.
I'll leave the tip on the table.
Thank you very much.
Everything was excellent.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it.
The service was great, too.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Are you open every day?
Yes, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Great. I'll bring some friends next time.
We'd love to have you back.
I'll definitely recommend this place.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Thanks again for everything.
It was my pleasure.
Have a good evening.
You too. Take care.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye. We look forward to seeing you again.